What is going on, everybody? Today we have not one, but we have two knives from Petrified Fish. This is the Tanto, Beluga Tanto. I grabbed two of them because I liked the two. Found one and discovered I wanted the other color, so we got two. This is a Nashorn design. I do believe all the Belugas are Nashorn designs, so let's take a look at them today. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. So we got extra screws, got some washers, and got a clean cloth. Okay, oh, that's a big boy too. Very nice. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, that's a big American Tanto on there. Yes, sir. There's your lock up a little on the early side, but no movement at all in the blade, so that's good. And we're on bearings, so that's good. A little detent's a little stiff there, but not too bad. Never been particularly all that great at front flippers. Most of the ones I have are all tiny, and that becomes a little bit of an issue too. So I've got a lot of boxes, lots of pieces. This is the one I really wanted, the blue. Jeez, stuff is flying everywhere. Get out of the way here. I'm trying to get the stuff. Okay. This is the one I really like. That kind of that blue denim micarta. Yeah, that's sharp. And this is nice grippy micarta too. That's very nice. Yeah, that's a nice hand-filling knife too. Let me tell you, that is really, really good. It's very nice. Some smooth action. Yeah. I gotta say, actually, these, because they're a little bit bigger, might be a little easier for a rookie front flipper. As I say it, I totally blotch it up, but yeah, very nice. These are nice, like I said, very grippy. You got the Nashorn Rhino on there. Let's see what we got over here. And it just says K110, so, which is just a bowler D2 basically. So yeah, very nice beefy knife for 50 bucks, guys. You really can't go wrong. It's about time that Petrified Fish wasn't so petrified to come out with a Tanto, and that's just a beautiful Tanto too. Total flat grind, got some nice thickness to the overall blade. So, you know, you don't have to be too gentle with it. It's got a nice edge on it. It's got a nice stone wash to it. Very nice. Got a little mini fuller there. Yeah, really, yeah, not really enough to get anything. I can almost get it with my thumb there. Yeah, I can get it with my thumb. I can't quite get it with my index finger there. So anyway, yeah, very cool. Some nice beefy knives. If you've got big hands, this is gonna be a knife for you for 50 bucks. You can't go wrong. They also have them in G10 and some different colors of G10. So there you guys go. There's just a quick unboxing of the Beluga, the new Beluga Tanto. They also have the DLC versions too. So I'll leave a link in the description. You can also I got these at White Mountain Knives. So White Mountain Knives is carrying them all right now. So you can go over and check them out too. Alright guys, that's it for today. We'll catch you next time. Have a great day, guys.